In this video, you are going to pick one of these choices to show your knowledge about the topic. This first one right here, it's called paper slides. And what you're going to do is you are going to first kind of plan out what you're thinking. And what this is it's a paper version of a Google slide presentation. And what you do is you can draw, for example, maybe the water cycle, and each of the different slides might be a different step of that cycle. Or for long division, you might do one step on paper one, another step, and then you're going to use markers, crowns, colored pencils, whatever you want when you are presenting your final product. But this, again, this is the plan sheet for you to brainstorm what you want to do. This next option is called StepbyStep. Here are just some examples of the step-by-step. If you go down to this slide where it's blank, you will take a multi-step problem and you are going to break it down into each of those different steps. So you're going to explain step number one, and you will add maybe circles, or you might add squares. You might solve different problems. For example, if we're doing fractions, you're going to first find the common denominator. Then you're going to take that common denominator, and whatever you did to the bottom to get that common denominator, you're going to multiply by the top. And then, for example, you're going to just solve it, and then you're going to solve a new problem. And this, again, could be with any topic, but that is kind of how you would do this step by step. This final idea is called a mini Pecha Kucha. And what that means is you get 20 slides, and you're just going to add images. So you're going to go to each of these slides, add an image, and then you will present using either Flipgrid or to the front of the class. And with those presentations, you will then talk about those images. So you might take screenshots of you solving a problem or screenshots from the web and add them to these slides. And as you're presenting, you're going to explain each of the different steps. And you have 20 seconds per slide to do so. The next activity is a voiceover, and what you're going to do is you are going to take a video that is already out there. So for example, like on YouTube. So for example, right here with story elements, you can kind of see here is the story. Let's go ahead and skip this ad. And what you're going to do is you're going to mute the video, and you're just going to talk over it. You're going to explain the setting, and you are going to use your own voice and your own knowledge to explain the concept to your peers or your teacher. So again, those are the 4 different ideas. We've got paper slides, step by step, or mini Pecha Kucha, or you could choose a voiceover. So have fun with this activity, and we cannot wait to see your creations.